Hi everyone. Today you're going to be working through a energy transfer simulation on Discovery Education. In front of you, you should have a worksheet that you're going to use to record your information. On the left-hand side, you'll see all of the parts of the electromagnetic spectrum from radio waves all the way to gamma rays. On the column to the right, it says, does the wave go through the solid, and then the liquid, and the gas? You are going to click on the type of energy. Oops, reset it. You're going to click on the type of energy. Don't worry about the sound waves, the seismic waves. You're going to start at radio waves. You're then going to choose the medium of a solid and then detect energy. You're going to see if the radio waves go through the solid. If they do, like in this example, you're going to write yes in your chart. You're going to do the same thing for the liquid and the gas. You are not doing anything with the vacuum today. Once you have decided if the wave goes through the solids, liquids, and the gases, you are going to write one interesting fact in the column. The fact can come from this information right here. Choose one thing that was interesting to you. Repeat that process for all of the different waves.